Even though it's the winter season, I still enjoy a good salad. So let's create one today that celebrates the produce that's in season now. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen and we create healthy recipes that hopefully inspire you and motivate you to create homemade meals for yourself at home. Today, we're going to be making lemon pear winter salad. Let's begin by making our salad dressing. To your blender, we're going to add 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which is loaded with vitamin C that helps support your immune system. It's also a wonderful detoxifier for your liver. Next, for just a little bit of sweetness, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of either pure maple syrup or raw local honey. 1 finely chopped up shallot or onion, which is about 2 tablespoons worth. And shallots are excellent at helping reduce stress in the body, as well as helping maintain proper hormone levels. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt, and then 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or less if you don't want it to be quite as spicy. 2/3 cup of either heart-healthy olive oil or avocado oil. The last ingredient is optional. I'm going to add 1 or 2 scoops of our Clean Sourced Collagens powder, and it's so good at supporting your digestion, also to maintain healthy joints and strong hair, nails, skin, teeth, and bones. Super powerful. Blend up your ingredients until smooth. Now we're ready to assemble our salad. So to a large mixing bowl, add in 5 ounces of your favorite greens. I just have some mixed greens. And to it we're going to add either 2 chopped up pears, which is what I have, or 2 chopped up apples, or a combination of both. So if you're going to be chopping up your fruit before you assemble your salad, one way to stop them from browning is just to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice over top, or you could just pour a little bit of your salad dressing over top since it's pretty much made of lemon juice. All right, so let's top it. Next we have 1 cup of either roasted or raw pecans or walnuts. Both are an excellent source of protein and healthy fat. 1/4 cup of either dried cranberries or cherries. This next ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in a little bit of grass-fed shredded Parmesan cheese. Toss your ingredients together and then drizzle with your salad dressing. You can store your leftover dressing in your refrigerator to continue enjoying all week long. Okay, I am ready to give this winter salad a taste. That is super delicious. I love the pears in there. The dressing is really light, it's not heavy, and it just depends on how much you put on your salad too. I love the crunch of the pecans, just a little bit of sweetness from the cranberries. This one is really nice, really easy to put together, super delicious, and so good for you. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks for joining me today. Take great care of yourself, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. Bye-bye.